Welcome to the webinar of NEIMiner. NEIMiner is an integrated and comprehensive data mining system for studying environmental impact of nanomaterials. NEIMiner is a collaboration effort led by Intelligent Automation Inc., supported by Oregon State University, Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and SAIC, and sponsored by Army ERDC. As more engineered nanomaterials, EMN, are developed for military use, it is crucial to minimize any unintended environmental impacts, NEI, resulting from the application of EMN. To realize this vision, industry and policymakers must base risk management decisions on sound scientific information about the environmental fate of nanomaterials, their availability to receptor organisms, including related concepts such as uptake, and any resultant biological effects, e.g. toxicity. Intelligent Automation Inc. is developing a model-driven data mining system for studying environmental impact of nanomaterials, NEIMiner, which consists of 4 components: nanomaterial environmental impact, NEI modeling framework, data integration, data management and access, and model discovery and composition. The NEI modeling framework defines the scope of NEI modeling and strategy of integrating NEI models to form a layered, comprehensive predictability seminar to the framework for risk analysis of multimedia environmental systems, FRAMES. A detailed modeling space provides significant value to the process of aggregating and analyzing NEI data, especially with the consideration that NEI data is sparsely distributed across many sites and is ever-growing. The data integration layer brings together heterogeneous data sources related to NEI via automatic web services and web scraping technologies. The capability to integrate multiple data sources will foster interesting and meaningful innovation through interdisciplinary research. The data management and access layer reuses and extends a popular context management system, CMS, Drupal, and consists of modules that model and enable interactions over a complex data structure for NEI-related bibliography and characterization data. The model discovery and composition layer provides an analysis capability for NEI data. IAI's data mining tool, ABMiner, is used to build NEI prediction models. All features in ABMiner, including data extraction, feature selection, meta optimization, model selection, model deployment, and both desktop and web model query, are useful to mine NEI data. ABMiner's model-based feature provides a useful bridge between the offline and online tools for NEI modeling. The purpose of data integration layer is to bring heterogeneous data sources related to NEI to the storage system managed by the data management and access layer. In NEIMiner, the storage system is designed according to an aggregated abstraction of NEI bibliographic and characterization data. The major effect of data integration is to extract, transform, and load ETL data into a common data structure in the storage system. To develop NEIMiner, we surveyed and identified a number of data sources that are related to the environmental impact of engineering nanomaterials. These data sources are mixed with bibliographic text and structured experimental data. Among them, we selected 3 data sources for different considerations to populate the data management and access layer of NEIMiner. These 3 data sources are International Council on Nanotechnology, ICON, Cancer Nanotechnology Laboratory, CanNanoLab, and Nanomaterial Biological Interactions Knowledge Base, NBI. All the metadata-related NEI must be managed by Drupal. Drupal web services can be used for dumping a large amount of data related to NEI bibliography and characterizations into the CMS. We first map a Java class to the corresponding Drupal content type. In our situation, we will map the content type of nano characterization. Second, we will parse the data sources using some existing APIs. For example, we can use some CVS reader such as OpenCVS to parcel an Excel file. Finally, we call Drupal's web service functions to save the data to Drupal as contents. The data management and access layer consists of a set of Drupal modules that models the complex data structure for NEI-related bibliography and characterization data. Drupal has functions to provide web services that can be accessed by any third-party tools. We used existing Drupal modules and also developed and will develop our own modules, including web services for extensive data access, web interfaces for manual data entry, management of NEI publications and characterizations with multifaceted search, user management in multi-levels with different permissions, collaboration connecting experts in related area, and risk assessment querying. With the NEI-related data, especially characterization data collected, we can map the data to the NEI modeling framework. We integrate the Drupal-based database with analytical software tools for model discovery and composition. To build the NEI models in the scope of NEI modeling, we apply IAI's internal data mining tool, ABMiner, to the NEI data for model discovery. ABMiner provides an optimization engine which exploits meta learning to search for the data mining models with the best performance and efficiency. In the following, we demonstrate the website of NEIMiner as a management tool for nano-risk-related data and models.
NEIMiner is designed as a data mining and informatics platform for nanomaterial environmental impact analysis with data integration, knowledge discovery, and knowledge management. Data integration is usually a set of underlying processes. We will mainly demonstrate the capability of knowledge discovery and knowledge management. First, we will show the capability of managing unstructured and structured data. Our unstructured data is mainly the bibliography data related to nanomaterial environmental impact. We use of data integration software tool to populate the database and use faceted search to enable users to search and browse the bibliography data. This will help a researcher to get a quick and systematic understanding upon recent academic contribution in nanomaterial impact area. Here is the faceted search user interface for the bibliography data, and you can using the browse and search capability together to get all this data. For example, we're interested in some data related to animals done for nanomaterial. Then you browse in, you get this interface, you get all of the data. And also remember this faceted search, and this is keep the track of your searching history. For example, we will get some cancer related. For this one, you will search within the results. So if you search it, and your results will be filtered again, and you get a subset of the results. And you can see here some other categories about year, about author, about journal name, and many other things. And here you can using paging capability to browse the data. If you click one of them, you will see the information related to this article, abstract, and the most important thing is some related categories is here. You can browse further in and to get more understanding about this article or in this area. I think this is a very interesting and useful tool for you to understanding the academic contribution in this area. Next, it is about the characterization data. It's structured data. Okay, so we connect a set of structured data from the zebrafish experiments for nanomaterial. So for demonstration purpose, and we clean the data, and we just keep the important features or important factors. Here you can see this is some ID and material type, shape, and the final one is called health impact. It's a weighted and aggregate number to mark what is the impact for the zebrafish using this set of experimental design properties and also the nanomaterial properties. Okay, the second, we will show the capability of knowledge discovery using our tool, ABMiner, for this data set. Okay, this data set we already connected and stored as a CSV file. It's shown here, and our ABMiner can help you to get the data. For example, we can know the data from here, and then we will have some called attribute selection. Okay, that means you can see there are multiple attributes, and we will select which one is the most important to the impact. So you can see from here, there's a field, it's called significant factors. We can see how their importance, okay? We will see the concentration is still the most important factor, and others. But for the ID, we think is a random number, and we don't think it is important, so we just remove from the model training. And also you can visualize your data. This is your metadata, and all your data is here, and you can use plot to show, for example, different structure about your data. You can show 3D color, for example, its size, and you can see your data in this way, okay? But structure is not good, maybe you want to see concentration, so you can see your data in this way, okay? So finally, we will find the correlation. There some interesting correlation about this model. We will select some interesting models to see how these factors related to the impact. We will choose in something we are interested. For example, we're interested in some, for example, regression, and with some instance-based, with some tree-based, and then we have some other regression. Then we can run of them and to compare their results. Okay, so after you run that, you can easily select one of the modules from there. You're comparing their performance, and then you can select their performance. You can say I will sort them, and then you can see one of them is called MP5. It's you can see MP5 is a tree-like regression models, and you can see its capability, and you can see more information about this. Okay, so you can get this model, and then finally we can choose this model, and then you will have a model like this. Okay, and then you can do what if you query. For example, you can slice the Y. You can do what if query like this, and finally you can publish this model. For example, you can use this data and you can deploy a model, and it will deploy to the website. Finally, we will see how this model has been deployed to the website. We already deployed one model like this. So if you click impact models here, and then you can see that the user interface is very similar to that, but it is a web-based, and it can be deployed anywhere. Then you can play with it also. Okay, here is the short demonstration about this data management, knowledge discovery, and also knowledge management. Thank you.